We will soon see the repotting work of this agave. It was in this pot with river sand in it. Now I will be shifting it to cinder. These are the pups that have been removed, or the suckers, from the mother plant. Now we shall start the repotting work. The bottom layer and the drain holes are covered with clay balls. Then it will be covered with cinder. Then we will place this plant. Now even cinder has been filled. After placing the plant, we will once again fill these free spaces with cinder, bone meal, horn meal, neem compost, some rice husk. All the free spaces, the sides have been filled with rice husk, neem compost tablets kind of format it is, and the top layer soil dressing we will be doing with cinder once again. Repotting work is over, and the pot need not be watered for around 3 to 4 days, since I am experiencing here rains. I think for a week I need not water also. More updates later.